clay cliffs. I think the footage from my phone is a bit better. So these are the clay cliffs, which you can visit, but it's a bit of a drive and a bit of a hike. They look pretty cool. We are heading back to the Lake Pukaki. Stay there the night and then camp tomorrow night near the Timaru library. We have a lot of work to do. Don't think I need to say anything. Don't know if that's the best idea I've ever had. I still can't really walk or hold anything because everything hurts from the workout. But yeah, she'd be right. Sun is setting. Dinner time. So what we have is a bunch of mushrooms and rice. Doesn't look too bad. What, you're scared? Apparently. See you later. More cats. Not too bad. These are just way too intense. I always put too much. I asked my professional Indian and he said, I'll just put it as a little bit as a side to a rice dish. So that's what we did. Still very intense. Good morning. Good morning. Good. That is a good morning. It was alright cold wise. It was like 4 or 5 degrees. And I've been binging this new YouTube channel of the Crew Chef, which is like a channel of a yacht, and they show the behind the scenes of the yacht and the cooking. Anyway, we're heading to Fairley Bakery, which I've heard a lot of, and the key is to get there before lunch and then try all the pies. Let's see if that's possible. Oh yeah, and all this is not a mess. This is my sleeping bag trying to dry out, and the outside area looks like this, which is kind of expected, big lake, but I really like that. And if we would stay here, I'd like a time lapse of the mist just misting away. It's going to be like a ghost ride, really, for 1 hour. What a ride in that fog or clouds, really. We're not there yet at the Fairley Bakery yet. We're at Lake de Capo, which looks very nice in this mist actually. bakehouse. Beautiful. That is interesting. Thank you.
No worries.
Sourdough rye bread. I am pleasantly surprised. And we got another pie, venison and cranberry for to go. Now we're heading to the House of Hops. Yes! Does look pretty nice, but I am afraid that this is only for New Zealand Motor Caravan Association members, because there is a note on that area, but we'll just ask. This is beautiful, and yes, we can stay here. What is that? Alpacas, llamas? That's everything. The sun came out. Beautiful. I mean, and I thought, because why not? It's a nice day. Let's try to make this thing, bracelet. Okay, so now we've got the two long strains. They are too long, but also they are not concise enough, so I want to fold them over and now rub them and pull, so we can go a little bit longer than this, but hopefully thin as a, as this cable, for example. That's the idea now. Okay, they're roughly the same length. Roughly go around here. So I'm gonna make a knot here, and then twist them in opposite directions. Twist that one here, and this one the other way, and then twist them around each other the opposite way. And that way they should kind of contour each other. That's the plan. I've never done this before. So this is what we want. I'm already holding here, but this one holds shape. Not really sure how I did that, but that's what we want. It's 4:30 now. It's not quite the time to get to bed, so venison and cranberry pie. Right, that pie was not enough. Still, pepper, some salt, some fancy salt, of course. Anyway, that's uploading and we are heading to bed. Good morning. We are just packing up and going to the... Alright, that battery was dead. We are going to the city of Timaru and have some shower and get some supplies and then go to the library. Nothing too special. I really enjoyed this spot.